오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody, welcome to 밥시 home cooking channel. Today I will cook this Korean name Kimchi So면. You know this thin noodle. With the thin noodle we make this with mixed kimchi and with spicy. Summertime is eating very nice. Yes, now I will introduce the ingredients. This already I boiled this thin noodle. Do you know? Also we have a kimchi and some spicy green paprika, and then this garlic, green onion, egg, and sesame oil, cucumber. Cucumber is for make it beautiful, do you know? So we have also red pepper sauce. This Korean name gochujang. You know, we use this one, and then I use a little bit sugar syrup, and then sesame seed. You know, many need. Now I will make. This is red pepper. We make this Korean name gochujang, and we put the soybean sauce a little bit, and we put this garlic, onion, and you know this is very hot, very hot green onion and green paprika. And we mix a little bit sugar syrup. No, okay. Sesame oil. Mix. Oh, nice smell. Noodle, this I boiled noodle, and we put here sauce. I think 3 is okay. And a little bit put the garlic and the kimchi. Yes, mix. Nice smell. Fantastic, huh? Oh, and then we put a little bit sesame seed. Mix. Wow, amazing, looks very delicious. Very nice. Fantastic. Ready? It's so fantastic, this noodle kimchi mixed. Summertime, this very nice. Wow. Wow. Thank you.